Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we have this table of values for the function f. We're asked which of these equations represents the function. So the first thing we can notice is that we have different slopes for all of these lines. Right? So the slope is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So if we find the slope, it's going to be one of those values, and that'll narrow down our answers entirely, and we'll have our answer. So how do you find the slope? Well, the typical way is we have delta y over delta x. But in this case, if you think of this as y equals mx plus b, right, f of n is in place for f, or in place for y. So we're actually going to be looking for the change in f of n. And then instead of x, we have n, so it's going to be over the change in n. So we want to check the change in f of n. So let's say we're going from this point to this point. So the change in f of n is going to be 1 minus negative 2. Right? The change between two things is you subtract them. So the change between 4 and 1, well, 4 minus 1 is 3. And if you're going from 4 to 1, that's going to be 3. So that's how you find the change in something. You subtract the two values. Then we just have to do the same thing with n. 2 minus 1. Only thing you have to be careful there is going the same way. So we did this minus this, so therefore we have to do this minus this. Anyways, we have 1 minus negative 2. Negative times a negative is a positive, so this is 1 plus 2. Over 2 minus 1 is 1, so therefore we have 1 plus 2 is 3. Over 1 is just 3. So we know the slope of the line is 3, so therefore it has to be c, since it's the only one with a slope of 3. Again, this is 1, 2, and 4. So C is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.